Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today our group will presenting about
Islamic financial system.
So my name is Nur Shasha Damia.
My name is Anis Arisa Zayani.
My name is Nadira Alisha.
My name is Nurul Syafiqah Irvina.
My name is Cedric Azwani.
Today, I will present about Islamic financial system. The Islamic financial system is a system of financial services and institutions that operate in accordance with Islamic law or Sharia. The principle of Islamic financial system is prohibit interest, gambling and speculative trading. Instead, it encourages risk sharing, entrepreneurship and transaction with real economic purpose.
So next, Islamic financial concept. We have 4, which is ijarah, mudarabah, musyarakah and bai as-salam. So for ijarah, for example, rent a house. You pay a fixed rent each month to live in it, but the house remains the owner property. Once the rental agreement ends, you either renew it or move out. So number 2, mudarabah is a business partnership where one person provides the money, capital, and the other person provides the skill or work running the business. Number 3, musyarakah is a partnership where 2 or more people share the money and effort to run the business. They agree to share the profit and losses based on how much each person contributes. Number 4, bai as-salam is a type of a sale where the buyer pays in full upfront, but the seller delivers the product at a later time.
Next, let's go to Takaful industry. The Takaful industry is the business sector that provides Islamic insurance services that follow Islamic principles. Takaful industry helps people and business to protect themselves from risk while avoid interest, gambling and uncertainty. You guys must be curious about on how Takaful works, right? So, people and business who join a Takaful plan may contribute or paying money into a shared fund. The fund is used to help anyone in the group who faces problems like accident or loss. The risk is shared by all participants in the fund, and any surplus will be paid among participants after the obligation of participant has been fulfilled. Also, Takaful operates as a protection and profit-sharing venture between the Takaful operator and the participant.
And then we move to the types of Takaful. There are 2 types of Takaful, which is a family Takaful and general Takaful. For family Takaful, it is similar to life insurance. It covers events like death, disability, and medical expenses, providing financial securities to family. For general Takaful, it covers general risks such as property damage, motor accident, health and business risk. And then for the Takaful operator, these are 3 examples of Takaful operator in Malaysia, which is Etika Takaful, Takaful Malaysia, and Takaful Ikhlas. These are 3 models that used in Malaysia, which is wakalah, mudharabah, and hybrid model. For wakalah, this is the most common model in Malaysia. The Takaful operator acts as an agent for participants, managing funds on their behalf. The operator earns a fee, which is wakalah fee, for administration, marketing and management. And then for mudharabah, in this model, participants and the Takaful operator share the profit made from the investment of the pooled funds. However, it is less common in Malaysia compared to wakalah. Lastly, for hybrid model, some Takaful operators use a combination of wakalah and mudharabah to balance administrative fees with profit sharing incentives. Lastly, this is the benefits of Takaful, which is ethical and transparent. It is because Takaful is based on fairness with transparency in terms of fees and profit sharing arrangements. For Sharia compliance, all Takaful products are certified by Sharia boards, it giving assurance that they align with Islamic values. And lastly is community focused. It is because the mutual nature of Takaful emphasizes a sense of community where participants support each other in times of need.
So next, Islamic Financial Capital Market. What is Islamic Financial Capital Market? The Islamic Capital Market is a place where people can invest their money in line with Islamic rules. It offers two, sukuk and halal stock. Sukuk is like bonds but instead of earning interest but share in the ownership of an asset. For halal stock, share in companies that follow Islamic themes like alcohol and gambling. Sukuk. What is sukuk? Sukuk is often referred to as Islamic bonds but it's not exactly the same as conventional bonds. How it works: when you invest in sukuk, you are buying a share in asset or project. Instead of earning interest, which is not allowed in Islam, you earn profit from the success of the asset or project. Capital market. Capital market is a marketplace where companies or government raise money and investors grow their wealth. Company can sell stock, ownership share or sukuk loan with profit sharing to fund projects like factories or highway.
Now, we move to importance of the capital market. For the companies, capital market provides funds to expand business or to complete large projects, for example, infrastructure and innovation. For investors, capital market also offers opportunities to grow wealth by investing in stocks, bonds, or sukuk. Next, for the economy, capital market basically boosts economic growth by funding businesses, creating jobs, and improving infrastructure. Lastly, for encourages transparency, capital market ensures financial activities are regulated and transparent, which is protecting both investors and companies.
Next, we go to the differences. So, what is the differences between Takaful industry and Islamic capital market? For Takaful industry, they provide protection and risk mitigation through mutual cooperation and shared responsibility. While for the Islamic capital market, it more focuses on investment and wealth creation while adhering the Sharia principles. So for the similarities, both of Takaful industry and Islamic capital market operates based on Islamic principle. They prohibit interest, gambling, and excessive uncertainty. They more focus on promoting ethical and socially responsible financial practice by investing in halal business. And for the conclusion is, both Takaful industry and Islamic capital markets are integral to Malaysia's Islamic financial system, complementing each other to cater for different financial needs. Just like we have mentioned before, Takaful focus on protection and risk management, while Islamic capital management derives ethical investment and economic growth.